Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to twist an object in Blender. In this tutorial, I will choose a cylinder, so we can go to Add, Mesh, and add the cylinder. Close the view, and I want to show it clearly, so I show the wireframe. So go to the viewport overlays and check the box wireframe to show the wireframe. Now we can select an object and go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. And then go to Deform, we can find Simple Deform. And default setting is Twist. So we can see that the cylinder is dressed in X-axis. If you want to change the axis, we can change to Y and Z. So we can adjust the angle. So this is how we can twist an object in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video we will share with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.